In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The 5th meeting of Afghanistan-Iran Joint Counselor Committee held in Kabul. Afghanistan's ambassador in Malaysia meets with Brunei's foreign minister. And more than 20 Pakistani police officers killed and injured in 2 separate attacks in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Welcome to Urooj Daily News Package. It's Thursday, the 1st of Safar Muzaffar 1448, the 25th of Sartan 1405, and the 16th of July 2026. The news details. The 5th meeting of Afghanistan-Iran Joint Consular Committee was held in Kabul under the co-chairmanship of Dr. Mohammad Naeem, the Deputy Minister for Finance and Administration of the Minister of Foreign Affairs of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan, and Wahid Jalalizadeh, the Deputy Foreign Minister of Consular Affairs of the Islamic Republic of Iran. Based on the Minister of Foreign Affairs, the delegation from both countries discussed the challenges facing Afghan migrants, the provision of consular services, and other issues of mutual concern. The two sides also exchanged views on matters serving their shared interest. Both parties reaffirmed their commitment to strengthening bilateral consular cooperation and agreed to continue holding a joint consular committee meeting on a regular basis to facilitate the timely resolution of the existing issues. Naqibullah Ahmadi, the ambassador of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan in Malaysia, participated in a religious ceremony held in Brunei in the honor of His Majesty Sultan Haji Hassan Bolkiah, the King of Brunei Darussalam, during his official visit to that country. On the sidelines of the event, Ambassador Ahmadi met with Prince Abdul Mateen, Brunei's Minister of Foreign Affairs, along with several senior governmental officials. The discussion focused on strengthening bilateral relations between Afghanistan and Brunei. The news continuation. The Minister of Interior Affairs announced that through the efforts of local authorities, religious scholars, and tribal elders, a 40-year-long blood feud between 2 families in Besut, the district of Nangarhar province, has come to an end. According to the ministry, the decades-long conflict had claimed the lives of the 9 members of the 2 families. Meanwhile, the Minister of Borders, Ethnicities and Tribal Affairs reported that another family feud, which had persisted 49 years in Athmar, the district of Kunar province, has also been peacefully resolved and transformed into reconciliation. And ultimately, international media have reported that at least 3 police officers were killed and 20 others injured in 2 separate attacks in Pakistan's Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province. According to the Associated Press, armed militants ambushed a convoy of security forces in the Rabala district, killing 3 police officers and wounding 15 others. Hours later, a vehicle laden with explosives ran into a police station in the city of Banu, leaving at least 5 police officers injured. That concludes today's news bulletin. Thank you for joining Urooj Research and Media. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.